Hi, as we know, the bird is not going to stay at your backyard for the whole year. They've left after season. So if you already have the bird box in your backyard and you also invest the camera to watch the bird box, what can we do after the bird left the birdhouse? If you want to continue to watch the camera, you may still can use the bird box camera to watch the bird through the feeder. Alright, first let's take a look at the camera we have in this one. This is the waterproof bird box camera. Now, the camera has been connected to the Wi-Fi network. I can watch the live on the mobile phone. I'm going to record video clips so you can see the performance. Alright, I'm going to open the bird box and just put my finger inside. Alright, now first thing, I will take out the camera from the bird box. It's important to know if you want to watch the bird through the bird feeder, the camera must waterproof, because unlike the bird box, the bird feeder usually stay outside, there's rain or other thing, so don't jeopardize to get rid of your camera. It will damage if your camera is not waterproof. This one is waterproof bird box camera, so there's no problem. You can use it in the different kind of situation. We also need this simple hookup to hook up the feeder, and the camera is going to stay at this part. Alright. Oh, I also need the bracket, otherwise we cannot put the camera to the hookup. It's quite easy. Now we also install the bracket to the hookup. Okay, what we need to do is just attach the camera to the bracket. So because we are going to place this feeder on this side, so we will need to install the camera like this. There's 2 screws to fix the camera to the bracket. One side, also we need to have the other side. So I'm going to now, one more thing, we need to hold up the feeder. Now the feeder is ready. I'm going to record footage from the camera. So because the distance is quite similar, so the focus is right. If the cameras you see in flashy, you can just open the front cover and adjust the lens to have the best focus. Alright, that's pretty much all for today's video. If you have any question, you can post in the comment section below. See you next time.